Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video in which I will present you a new trading indicator which is called a Trend Line Pro MT4 indicator. And what exactly this indicator is? This indicator is for you newbie traders, and I will explain you a little bit later why is for newbie traders, but also can be used by experienced traders for good profits in financial markets. And why is this indicator so good? Because it shows the trend change, the entry point, the transaction, as well as automatically calculates free levels of take profit and stop loss protection. All right, so it's not only this line. Yes, you will see what we have here. Yeah, I'll show you a little bit later in this video. So stay here until the end of this video to see what's all about. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone. I hope everybody is well today. And in today's video, as I told you in the intro, I will present you trend line indicator, trend line pro MT4 indicator, which is a indicator for newbies, I can say it, but also for experienced traders. And why is this indicator so special? I will tell you in this video. So stay here, make sure you'll stay here until the end of this video. And of course, by the end of this video, because it is a free indicator, you will know how you can download this indicator. So let's go ahead. Let's assume that you already have this indicator downloaded on your computer. Let's go ahead and click copy on the indicator, and you will have it at the first time. You'll have it like this here. You'll have it like a WinRAR archive. Yes, like this one here. And then just click on it. Just 1 second. Click on it and extract TL. Click on extract here, and you will get this folder here like this one. Yes, trend line pro indicator. And what all you have to do is to click on copy. All right, copy and go to your MT4 platform, go to file, open data folder, MQL4 indicators, and paste that indicator over here. Click on paste, and you will have Trendline Pro MT4 indicator over here. All right, so this is the way how you upload the indicator on your MT4 platform. So the indicator is, of course, as the name says, for MT4 platform, not MT5. It will not work on MT5 platform. So that's it. And what do we have here? What this indicator can do? Let's go ahead and I'll show you. I will scroll a little bit in the back because here we don't have any signal, but here it is a signal. So let me go ahead and I will open the pen and I will explain you what that means. Here is the signal, and as you can see, we have this blue line here and then this orange line. And what that means, when the color it will change to orange, from blue to orange, that means it will come a downtrend. So of course over here it is the signal, it is the down signal. So here you should place a down trade. As simple as that, as simple as that it is. And what the indicator makes, here are some statistics about the indicator from let me go ahead, I'll open again the pen, from the last 150 days. And over here, as you can see, this signal, yes, you will sell here on at the price on Euro USD at the price of 1.15793. Over here 15793, and the take profit, it will be set, first one, it will be set over here. As you can see it, we have here, we have the first take profit at 1.15725, and it already has been hit, the take profit. The take profit 2 level, as you can see, we have it over here. Let me go ahead and open the pen again. The take profit 2 is here, yes, and has been hit, as you can see here. And the take profit level 3, we have it here, and this one it is take profit 3, 1.15213, and has been hit also here, yes. So we should wait from here. And also the trend line indicator works better after it was back tested a few months. It works better on H1 or 1 hour time frame, yes, one set it on 1 hour time frame, and here it will work the best. So that's it, how this works. Now we have from 33 signals, we have 28 in the money and 5 out of the money, yes, and we have a profit of 536 pips in this period. So how cool is that? From 33 signals, 28 are in the money and 5 out of the money. This is great, and this is an excellent number, an excellent win rate. All right, let's go ahead and I will show you a little bit in the back. Again, another one. So here we have another one, we have another signal. So don't take in consideration these numbers from here, because these numbers are for the last signal. But as you can see, we have here another down signal. Yes, we have another down signal, and we have the take profit level over here, the first take profit level, the second take profit level, which has been hit, and also the third take profit level has been hit. So look here how big profit you would be making here if you be using this indicator. Regarding this signal here, we have also the stop loss level here on 1.16134. All right, so let's go back a little bit. So let's go back to this signal here, and as you can see here, we have another up signal. This is it, up signal, and we have the first take profit here, which has been hit. And for me, it doesn't matter. It is not such a big trend like this one. It matters that it was a winning trade. All right, so let's go and let's have a look a little bit to another asset, to another currency pair. The indicator is an independent trading strategy. It shows the trend change, the entry point, to the transaction, as well as automatically calculates free level of take profit and stop loss protection. Trendline Pro MT4, it is perfect for all MetaTrader symbols, currencies, metals, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and indices, and never redraws its signals. You have the possibility of using it as an independent strategy. It has free automatical levels, take profit and stop loss. The indicator has a custom signal buffer, which allows you to create trading robots based on it. Has a notification function. The indicator has proven its effectiveness in trading on real accounts also. So how exactly the trend line indicator works? So after the indicator signal appears in the form of an up or down arrow, as you can see here, wait for the end of the current candle on which the signal was formed. So you should wait this candle here, yes, and then at the next candle you will place a down trade here. Open a position in the same direction. You can open up to 3 orders with different levels of take profit protection. Set the stop loss and the take profit level suggested by the indicator, and after the price reaches the first protection level, take profit 1, close the first order and move the stop loss at the level of the entry price break even. Fix the profit partially or completely on take profit 2 or take profit 3. So that's the way this one works. Take profit 1, take profit 3. You move the stop loss from here. Yes, you move it stop loss here, then again move stop loss here, and you will have the third take profit reached here. This is great. Let me go ahead and I will move to New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and let's have a look here. Oh, and as you can see here, we have from 98, from 106 signals, 98 are in the money, 8 and 8 are out of the money, which is great. All right, so let's have a look here on in this case. We have the first stop loss level over here. Yes, we have the signal here, and we have the first take profit over here, which has been reached. We have the second take profit here and the third take profit here. After we will reach the first take profit, we will place the stop loss over here. Yes, and then we will reach the stop loss. As you can see, in this case it is going down, and but we have all these profit that we've made from here to here at the first take level profit, and we have it here. Take profit level 1 here, take profit level 2 here, take profit level 3 here, stop loss here. And as I told you, the NT price is this one, and we have from 106 signals, 98 are in the money and 8 in the money, and we have a profit of, it's huge, 5,380 pips, which is crazy. It is insane. All right, so that's all about this trading indicator. I hope you'll use it to make some profit with it. So how you can download this indicator? Just go here as I'm talking right now. Go here on the down of the page, and you will find a link like this one. It will be the first link. Where is it? It will be the first link. Just click here on the link, and it will take you to a page like this one. Let me go ahead. This page like here. So from here is not made yet, but it will be Trendline Pro MT4 indicator download, and just go here and fill your email, add your email, like you see here, a name, Chris, and click on submit, and you will receive an email like this one. Hey, Chris Brack here from Need for Speed. I'm glad you decided to download the, and here we have the download link. Click on it, and it will automatically download this indicator to your laptop, and you will get in this phase here that I already explained to you at the beginning of the video. Copy the indicator, go to your MT4 platform and upload it here, so you can use it on every chart you want, on every symbol you want, currency, metals, cryptocurrency, stocks, or indices. So I hope this helps. Please write me in the comments below this video how this indicator is working for you. Use it first on a demo account, then go ahead and jump into the real market account, and let me know how it's working for you. Of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.